This is the elevator at 919 Kildaire Farm Road in Cary, North Carolina. This elevator is still original as of today. All right, let's get a listen to the motor on this. Oh, look at this. I gotta show you. So look at this. The door open button does not work. That is an elevator code violation. All right, here we go. Be. Epic. Get a full detailed cab view of this. As of last year, when I came here, this elevator was broken down. But I discovered this elevator actually 2 years ago. These are your fixtures. They're Otis Lexan fixtures. And speaking of Otis, y'all know what I have, right? That's right. It is my Otis shirt. I don't think you can see that well. See? I'm coincidentally wearing my Otis shirt on a vintage Otis elevator. All right, let's go back up to one to end there. Looks like it just overshot the floor a little. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.